I think I found it one of the easiest and fastest way of finding trending and evergreen niches or merch on demand using Etsy. In the last couple of weeks, I've been experimenting a lot with Glob and building extensions and apps, as you may know. And last 3 days, I built a new app for Etsy called Etsy Honk. This is the brother or the sister of Bake Up. Bake Up was based on eBay, so based on this one, I created one on Etsy. There are many tools for Etsy to find niches, but I think this works very well, and for that I'm gonna make this video and try to get at least 10 good awesome niches, and I will share them for free at last in a list with you to create designs, and I bet you send them before 1 or 2 weeks. That's my bet. Okay? Here I'm gonna enable my extension. If you don't know how to load an extension, it's very easy. When you download the folder, you drop it here in developer mode in extensions and you enable it. Okay? Then it will appear on Etsy and you can start working. Let's see. Okay, here we got the extension loaded, Etsy Honk, and I will show you every step of how you can get niches. Okay, first let's start with the most important thing. I'm gonna put my search. Let's say the best search in the universe, finding t-shirt, and we press go, and the extension is gonna start scraping all Etsy for funny t-shirts. Here I'm gonna sort for score. You can sort for reviews, ratings, price, and price down, but score gives me the best results. What is score? Score, the app says you can bring it here, but basically mixes the best info of Etsy, and it makes like a math equation and takes the best scores up in the screen. Okay, you can read here this definition of score. I made it for that purpose, and let's say we'll go for score. Then you can go here in filters, and you want, for example, if you want to get results only gents, you get the gents, meaning the best results of that has the best score. I'm gonna leave it open to see all the listings. Here, if you click here, you get to see the results on Amazon, only the ones of merch on demand, not of FDA or another sellers. Okay, I rather cut this click. Here you can sort by reviews. Here I'd like to put 10, meaning that all the best scores we found at least 10 reviews. Here are the listings per page. Here I like to put, there are the listing script. I like to put 130 is the default. I like to put like 400, let's say. This is the title word. This is the amount of words it's gonna use to make the search on Amazon or Pinterest. You will see afterwards that. And this is the word is gonna put in the search when we go to Amazon or Pinterest. Meaning if you have a long tail keyword, it will end with an append of t-shirt. You can change this for mug, for, I don't know, sweater, whatever. Okay? I have the filters here, and then I'm gonna rescan. Okay? If you see, the results are a lot more now, and we have a lot more pages to scan. Okay? Also here, if you wanna sort by newest with the best scores, that's also a good search. But let's start with relevancy. Okay? This is the good part. Already we have 11 pages. Okay, let's start. For example, I'm gonna show you another thing. I'm gonna show you now. This is a special functionality of the tool. Here you can use anthropic clock with Sonnet, Opus, or AQ, depending on the model and the estimated cost. What this does is that when you click and go to Amazon or Pinterest, it's gonna search the exact text of the design. Okay, because if you don't do this, let's say don't want to use it and use it for free, sometimes it searches, for example, sarcastic t-shirt, very open keywords, not the exact low-tech keyword, and I rather use that because I like searching all the exact keywords on the sites. Okay, that way I got better results and not some random. Okay, so I am gonna label this anthropic. I put my anthropic key here. It's save, you save it there. I'm gonna use Sonnet and I'm ready to go. Okay, I'll save it here. Okay, let's see how the tool works. This is the good part. For example, let's say we're gonna check this. Maybe just give me a minute. I think I can make it work. Instead of, you can download it if you want, but instead of download it and saving in a folder and doing underwear, now we can go straight to Amazon or Pinterest and even Etsy if you want to check the listing alone. But this is the tool I use every day. I go straight to Amazon and check the BSR. Okay, this is very fast, and I've been having a lot of success lately. Look at this. Well, assault and missing is a lot of competition, but I'm gonna search and I bet that I can find you 10 profitable niches without a lot of competition. Okay, look at the SR is very good, but assault is a lot. Let's do it. Okay, you see with the Cloud Anthropic API, I get the exact long tail keyword. That way, I get a more serious result, not so random. Okay, 253, that's good. Let's see. Okay, BSR is not good. Okay, but BSR is not very good. Okay, this is interesting. Primary result 3679. Okay, this is better. Low results, good DSR. Look at this, look at this. Okay, back to school. This is for science. Like Nike. A lot of them are setting. Okay, we have the first one. Okay, let's continue. Okay, it's interesting. I like a lot the sites that have very long tail keywords. Original designs. Okay, that way I know the results are gonna be low most of the time. Okay, now I can reduce this vocab. Okay, a shorter keyword. Let's see results. 720. Okay, not that much. Let's see BSR. Okay, look at the BSR of this and look at this keyword. I've never seen this before. Some people are like Slinkies. Look at the DSR. Are they good or not? Competition is not that high. Okay, this is I'm making myself. Let's continue. We're gonna go to the second page. I'm looking for a log text here. For example, okay, we see just here for grand fast. You see the process is very fast. You have the long tail keyword here. Assault and results. That's a lot. Okay, so much results. For example, let's put here newest. Let's see result in newest. Okay, this is surprising. Let's see about the competition now. X30. Okay, under result, it could look at the BSR. I think I've seen this. I have already uploaded some here. But look at the BSR, is awesome. Download. A lot of them setting. The science is really has a relation with following, also with the skeleton. Okay, we're at 3 already. Let's continue. What about this? For fit or gym. Why can't you do that? So not all. And BSR is also good. Not selling like hot potatoes, but selling a lot. Okay, we got 4 designs already. Does this work or doesn't work? Okay, this is 260. Okay, it's good, but the BSR is... Oh, look at the BSR, this professional crop duster. Wow, 260. This is awesome. 5 designs already. I'm gonna make a list, and you can, in the comments, you can upload them yourself, okay? Monster crop, mouse duck. Okay, let's see this one. On keys, not a sparkle mouse. Okay, what is this? 235. Okay, let's click this to get some real results. 30, but I don't know. By the way, this tool, Smart Research, it's also on the Chrome store. Search it, Smart Research. It's awesome, it's for free, and I've been using this a lot lately. Monster prop, monster club, the competition is less than 330. Okay, I'm doing this, and you see the design is different. It's a white background with this sky design, very like summerish. Okay, meta 6, I guess. Let's continue. What is this? I think I've seen this before, but let's check it. You see how easy it is? You one click, we got, you get the instant results, and you can check VSR. Okay, let's go to the second page. What is this? The updated results. Let's continue. What cards do you think? I've seen this before, but check it. 9 paste the results. Kind of a lot. That. Look at the VSR. Wow. 6. Look at 7 already. It says 950, but not every result is the same. What card really think? Okay. So competition is even lower. You see? Wow. 7 rep. Okay, let's continue. Okay, it's interesting. 3 socket, not too much. It's interesting also. I've never used Etsy a lot in the past, but this way, very useful and procedure. Here is a sign saying that the SR is not that sexy. Okay, one more. And let's find 2 more. We have 8 or 7. 7. Let's make a different search. Let's go, for example, color t-shirt. You can also search without t-shirts and get all the Halloween results. For example, PNGs, different kind of stuff. Okay, but let's go to the meet Halloween t-shirt. Okay, score. We don't see on long tail keywords here. This is very crowded, but let's see if we find something. Coffee. That's interesting. Let's see like this. Okay, a second result. That's a bit. Competition. This is a bit. I like it because Halloween, the sales spike. I don't know. I'm gonna do it. Look at this. 41 days. 31 days already selling. Okay, I like it. The Tabay. 6 to war. Okay, this is interesting. Assuming I'm just an old lady. Okay. We cannot be socks. Under a Souter is a good target, okay? For me at least. Look at the VSR. Wow, this is good. A lot design selling for Halloween, and the Halloween is like 2 months from now. So, is it good? Okay, and one more. Also to be spooky, my bet is trending. This is a very popular niche up to be something for 70. There's a competition. It's not a spot potato, but look at this. This was uploaded 8 days ago. Already a good VSR. 36 days ago. I don't know. Because this price up to be with other things I've sold a lot in the past. Okay, no, I'm gonna do it. Okay, let's see how many size we got in this very quick. Okay, we have 10. These are the good niches to design for this week that I found it very fast with the new Etsy Walk Chrome extension. Okay, I'm in this video giving away all these 10 niches, but I'm gonna show you, as I always do, how you can get this awesome from extension for Etsy for free. There are 2 ways. The first is joining my Skool group. That it's only $9 per month. We have 56 members and we have a lot of valuable information. Okay, and all my Chrome extensions, if you see, I posted for free for the group. All my apps and niche drops, 30 niches. When I get to the 60 members, I'm gonna change the price a little higher. So if you wanna join the group now, it's only $9. Okay, it has a lot of valuable content. People are participating a lot. We have a good time and we are increasing our sales. That's the most important. Okay, the other way is that I am setting it in my Gumroad page where I sell all my apps and all my extensions. Here you pay a price that is $17. That is only once you download the extension and you can use this forever and ever and find niches very fast, just the way that I show you. Okay, here also you can download the CSV with all these guides, and that's it for today. I hope you like this new extension. I really think it will be very useful for you. I've been using it every day, and in fact when I use the video I'm gonna use it again because I have seen a lot of good sellers of it. Okay, remember Etsy after Amazon is one of the big sites, so this way you can find niches very fast and start selling, doubling or tripling your sales. Okay, if you have any comment, please leave them on the comment below. I read them all and try to answer them all. Well, that's it for today. See you in the next one. Bye.